I'm Corey with Quick Attach, and I'm excited to talk about the rental business and your business here today. So obviously we got a couple attachments here. We got a skid loader here. So this unit by itself, what are you gonna do, drive it down the road? Because it's really, you're not gonna use it as a compactor. We build those. Other companies build those. So great machine, but it's really worthless without the equipment that you put on it, right? And this piece here is pretty much worthless without this. So the point I wanted to make here is, some people want to rent attachments, some people want to buy attachments, and each situation might be a little bit different, but there's a lot of people out there that they want to rent equipment because they're doing a special job site where they might not be using a lot, and there are opportunities for rental yards to capitalize on. But whether you got white paint in your fleet, if you got orange paint, brown paint, doesn't matter. They're all universal. So all of our attachments can go on any of these machines. But from a customer standpoint, if I'm driving down the road and I need 3 attachments and I drive by and you don't have them, I'm going to keep looking. So the more attachments that you can offer that are relevant to your customers, for electricians, contractors, landscapers, Johnny, acreage owner, or if you're a farmer, you got to have what they want. Else they ain't gonna stop in because it's a waste of their time. So if you have one of the attachments but they need 2 more, they're probably just gonna keep looking. So we just wanted to highlight a couple attachments that are really universal, huge opportunity makers for our current rental yards, and I know they're a success. And if you have people that are doing dirt work, landscaping around you, this is an absolute money maker if you have those people. So we just wanted to talk on 2 things here. With rental, service is a big item, right? That's real. And you don't want those phone calls. I mean, the phone calls are going to come. You got to take them, obviously. But if we can try and eliminate some of them for you, that adds value into your business where you can spend it on sales and certain, items that add value to your business and to your customers. So a couple things on this piece that I think are huge. These are solid rubber tires, which is a big deal because they go to a job site, they have screws, they have shrapnel, and then they come back with air, flats in the tires. These are solid rubber, eliminates that 100%. The other thing on this is real common with some units out there where guys will get twine and cable wrapped up in the drum. And so what we do is we fully shield the motor on both this side and the end bearing on that side too. There's no large gaps in here. It's very tight. This steel actually goes inside the drum, so it protects the end bearing and seals, because that is a major chore if you do have to replace it, and your service guys will appreciate this. And it just gives you more, if this is out of service, you can't rent it, you can't make money with it. So this really helps capitalize on opportunities when they come into your door. So the other thing too, to work on this, we use pillow block bearings. There's 4 bolts, they drop out. You can have this drum on and off in a field in under 15 minutes. It's awesome. Where I know some of the other units where if they have to replace the end bearings and seals, it's a chore. So the other thing, we want to keep things simple within the rental fleets to eliminate service calls, both on the soil conditioner and the broom as well. So we're going to do no hydraulic angling. We want to set them up for manual angle. So if you want to throw it on a Bobcat machine, if you want to throw it on a John Deere machine, it keeps it universal, less phone calls, less headaches, just makes it a lot easier for you doing business and keeps your fleet, more universal. So with the broom, what I like with rental yards, especially in the Midwest, right, where they have snowfall, brooms are phenomenal for doing snow removal. And what I like for rentals is they can capitalize on 12 months of the year. It's not a seasonal broom, where a pickup broom is great, right? But they can't use a pickup broom for doing snow removal. So I just think it can give you a few more opportunities to capitalize on months that normally you're not going to have any equipment rentals on, say, a pickup broom. So very universal. The other thing with the HD broom that I like is these heavy duty stands. Literally, when you want to go park this, if it's on a skid loader, you just pull this stand up and it's out of the way. And when you want to, park it, you just drop it right down. It's very heavy duty. The big thing that I think compared to, say, some of the standard brooms out there that we do on this one is this one will float, right? So if you're on uneven ground contours, you're not going to have premature bristle wear like you would with a lot of brooms. And bristles are expensive, they're a wear item. So the HD model eliminates some of that premature bristle wear. Even if, say for example, this was angled to the right, you're going to put a lot of pressure on the bristles on this side. So with this floating connection in here, it eliminates even that when you're angled. You don't get the end bristles getting wore down where you got to replace them. So it just saves money long term. Both units, we run a Eaton Charlene direct hydraulic drive board, pretty much maintenance free. Like some of them will run different style units to power them, chains, sprockets, a little bit more maintenance to go along with it. So the other attachments that we have that are really popular, brush mowers, grapples, augers, landscape rakes. And if you're going to be at the show, check us out there at ARA in sunny Florida. If not, actually check us out online, www.quickattach.com, or better yet, call us at 866-428-8224. And we have got a dealer program that is set up for a year for success in your business. Call us to hear more about it.